What is up, everybody? We have a sale going on this weekend. Ends on Monday. Go Practice 15 for 15% off the drill booklet, so you can practice in a parking lot. Let me pause this real quick. And this weekend only, you're going to get the rescue booklet with it and the rescue card. So just this weekend, you're going to have to use the discount code. Check it out. Links in the description. Sale ends Monday the 29th. I think the 29th. But let's jump right into this. Let's go.
Today
These accidents can happen at any time. Be a safe rider. Okay, that's what we're trying to do here.
For some unknown reason, completely failed to notice him. Fortunately, the right
Side of the vehicle right there. Oh, geez.
I am so sorry, dude. Are you okay?
Dude.
Of course he's sorry. That's good.
No,
Mistakes.
You want to go to the hospital?
That's good that he said some stuff, and then we're walking. So we're gonna have some frontal.
That's so.
Some
Man, he just turned right out in front of me.
frontal area damage. We're gonna have some frontal area damage right there because we're gonna slide up on the gas tank and then hit all this stuff on the where our quad lock was. So we're coming up to here. We're not doing too bad. We're doing 27 miles an hour. Not a big deal. We need to be looking around because remember, planning a ride, position for safety, locate hazardous situations. I don't like that we don't have a lot of escape paths here, so it's gonna be hazardous for me. Assessing any relevant threats. As soon as we see that side of the vehicle, that's a relevant threat. If they continue to go, it's an active threat. So what can we do in an active threat situation? We're going to just front load it right now. So we got yellow, orange, and red stage. Yellow stage, we're just cruising, having a good time, normal roads. This area is definitely going to be an orange stage where I'm on high alert. I'm definitely looking for those escape paths. I have my front brakes covered. I'm going a little bit slower. You know, maybe not 20. If it's 25, I'm probably going to go 23-ish. Trust me, a mile an hour at that speeds do play a lot. And then if we need to, we're going to do a red stage action, which is going to be we're going to swerve, emergency brake, something like that. Brown stage, you panicked, okay? So we're going to have to do a red stage maneuver when we see this. But, yeah, definitely orange stage right now. Orange stage, orange stage. I see this vehicle come out. Definite orange stage, relevant threat, possibly active threat if they continue moving.
unscathed.
Oh, that's an active threat right there. They're not stopping. They're not stopping. He's probably looking right. He sees that vehicle. He's going to gun it. Thinks he has an open spot. Didn't see us. Inattentional blindness, whatever it was. Just didn't see us because they're looking for other vehicles or other cars, not vehicles because we're a vehicle now. Looking for other cars. He's going to gun it. So what can we do here? We're going to have to do some really good progressive braking. Apply a little bit. Get some weight on that front tire. Apply a little bit more. Get some weight on the front tire. Apply a lot more because now we have weight on that front tire. We're going to be able to hopefully stop at 25 miles an hour. Okay, and in the MSF, the max speed that you go is 20, and you have to stop in a pretty good amount of time. So 25 shouldn't be too difficult, right? Okay, you can practice that in the drill booklet, practice it in the drills. Okay, get up to 20, apply the brakes, see how quick you can stop. We're getting up to here, so we're going to apply the brakes. We start to fishtail, so we probably slammed that rear brake and didn't give anything to that front. That rear brake's only going to do about 10 to 20% braking power because once you start decelerating your basically here's your suspension, here's the rear brake, here's the front brake, front tire, rear tire. You start applying a rear brake, your weight's going to transfer this way. So where's all the traction going? It's going on that front tire. That rear tire is going to slide up. So you need to utilize that front brake. So if you're using just rear brake, it's going to do this, and then all of a sudden it's going to slip and slide. There you go, slop and slide. So front brake, going to stop. Okay. There's the impact, and this is why we wear gear, but there's no gear specific for this area outside of a cup.
Dude.
Are you okay?
No,
Do
man.
you want me to go to the hospital?
So not much there. Did he have a bag with him?
Oh,
Did he
man.
like DoorDash or something?
Hospital?
So maybe he didn't have full grip or his hands were all utilizing for the bag and not the bike. I don't know. Maybe it was on his shoulder. Be careful out there, guys. This can happen. Wear gear.
Yeah, dude. That's so. Man, he just turned right out in front of me.
Yeah, turned right in front of you. All right, here we go. Oh, what happened here? Oh, geez. Ooh, there's the head impact. Did you see that? I'm going to see if I can get out of the way. Watch the head, the back of the head smack right here. Boom. Concussion. Possible concussion. His foot is damaged.
You alright, bro?
I'm alright, bro.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, geez. What happened here? What happened here?
Oh, man.
So we're coming up to this area. We hit something. Road surface hazard? Or he got too close to the guy in front of him and slammed the brakes and lost traction? So there's our knees and our legs scraping up. And then there's the head impact. That's what I saw. I mean, road rash, yeah, sure. But watch the back of his head just go smack. No helmet, would have had a skull fracture. Easy skull fracture. Maybe a little bit of brain on the ground. It was open. Yeah, it looks like he hit something. Look at the road. Look at the road surface. Yeah, look at the discoloration. He hit something. So it wasn't his fault that he crashed. But to mitigate our injuries as smart riders, we acquire and use personal protective equipment just in case something happens. Just in case. I want to keep my skin, which is the largest organ on your body, by surface area, I think, right? Your circulatory system. And then my brain. I want to keep my brain. I really do. So I can't see any discoloration on anything right here. But he's probably on his knees. I don't know. I'm trying to look at his right knee. There's a little bit of a white right on the end.
Oh, my.
That's going to be his... Oh, there's a little bit. Nope, not muting. We're not muting. Ooh. That's why we have gloves. All right, here we go. Oh, no. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Don't look at... Does this say it's like 15 liters? I think he thinks he's filling up his like his car. He's just so used to seeing the... I see the price says 30.28. Oh no. Not thinking. Definitely white staged. Zoned out. This is what white stage looks like. Wow. So he's using this pump. He's not using diesel. He's using this one. That's where the tube's coming out. Diesel is green in America, and you don't do that. Oh no. Oh no. So tips on how to solve that problem. Turn your eyeballs here. Keep an eye on that. And then every so often glance. But you're like looking down. It's like, wow, I thought, I mean, and then know your gas tank too. Like if your gas tank is 3 gallons, like, and you're getting to like 1.5 and you know it's like really low, you're like, you can kind of, okay, we're at 2.3 now, 2.5. Is it really taking this much? You're like, okay, here we go. Like, don't stare at this the whole time. Stare, target fixate on the right thing here. Here we go.
Situation where it's hard to see that the driver swerved into the rider's lane.
It's hard to see anything. Moto Stars.
Aside from that, it's worth noting that the biker didn't panic at all, which allowed him to get through it without trouble.
Okay. Whoa. 1 second here. 1 second here. Zoom in. What? We got 3 digits. We almost hit another vehicle because maybe they switched over, didn't see us, or thought we were super far ahead or behind. We almost hit a trailer. Okay. We almost hit a trailer. Almost hit a car. We had to swerve pretty hard. Okay. Now I'm trying to see if there's a vehicle in that lane also, and they did like it was an open lane. Let's see. Oh no. Let's see what happens here, everybody. Oh, we're getting lucky now. We're getting lucky. We're getting lucky. We're getting lucky. What's that? Oh, we're getting lucky. Oh my God.
Yeah, I'm good. Hey, thanks.
You're mad at that person? You're mad at that person? Oh my gosh. All right, here we go. Okay. Orange stage prepped. Oh no. Hey, our leg could get. That's how some people break their legs. When your foot is planted. Even like playing on like soccer, football, whatever, with cleats, if you plant your foot pretty hard and you twist, you're going to snap some stuff up. Person's foot's planted, they twisted. That's how you can break some things. Right here, high revs. Okay. Stalled probably, fell over. Yeah, you got to practice your slow speed stuff, which you can do by getting yourself the Smart Rider Drill booklet, which is 15% off right now. Practice in a parking lot, and this weekend only until Monday the 29th. You're also going to get a rescue booklet with a rescue card. Thank you so much for the segue. We're going to move right back into this and keep going. Yeah, watch out for that. Links in the description for the discount until Monday the 29th. There you go. I just thought that was really good. Wear some gear, dude. Oh, geez. Don't follow. Remain calm. Remain calm. Is he standing? Oh, geez. So, time to rescue. Right? That's what the rescue card looks like. Time to rescue. Remain calm. Ensure your own safety. Stop any major bleeds as best you can. In this area, if you didn't have enough money for gear, you're probably not going to buy yourself a trauma kit.
You mentioned that
So you can only do direct pressure.
there was a huge.
All right, what do we got here? We got a nice little group ride going on.
Ultimately, she completely loses control.
Nice little group ride.
of the bike.
Zoom, zoom. Oh, geez. So road surface hazards. Oh, no. Right arm. Easy. She's guarding that leg. This is why you wear motorcycle-specific leggings, women. They make them. They make them Kevlar lined. They have armor in the knees. They look good. They're a little bit warm, from what I understand. But they look good. You don't have to wear Lululemon or whatever it is you got at the outlet mall. Wear real motorcycle leggings or pants or jeans or whatever. Because this right here, when it's healing, it's going to be really tough to bend your knee and walk. It's going to suck. And if you had any part of your patellar tendon or patella just ripped out, you're going to need surgery. That impact easily could have broken some of the meniscus, maybe could have bruised the bone, maybe even sheared off some of your femur, the very end of it, maybe the tib fib right at the top, maybe a little hairline fracture here and there. Maybe you could have torn an LCL, PCL, or ACL just a little bit, grade 1, 2, or 3. So much. And was it really her fault? Like, was it something that she did that caused herself to crash? Not really. Not really. Look at the road. She hit some bumps. Now, why did nobody else crash? I don't know. Maybe she's like leaning too hard on the front. Look at those bumps. Suspension is not dialed in for her weight. So then dampening and all that stuff didn't work well with her. She put too much weight on that front end where she's like leaning into it. So then when it did bump, that suspension's not working well. Either way, we got some speed wobbles. So what she could have done maybe, I don't know, just like sat normal. Riding position's pretty important. Don't lean too hard on those front handlebars. Don't put a lot of weight on the front handlebars. Kind of sit and then grip the tank with your knees. Don't grip so hard on the handlebars. But anyways, we crash. So when we talk about mechanism injury, there's that right knee. That's why you see all that tore up. Right arm. And then we're going to hit her head. Yeah, keep the weight on the foot pegs. Grip the tank with your knees. Keep an upright, kind of stable but relaxed body.
Okay. Are you okay?
So right here, this is what I'm talking about. When we get the rescue booklet, when it comes with the drill booklet, you can also get the rescue booklet by itself, or you can buy the rescue pack. But all this stuff right here kind of walks you through it, how to stop major bleeds, how to rescue somebody. So it talks about all of it. How to call 911, how to talk to people 911, how to ensure your own safety. So much more. And it lets you understand how to handle this.